We had a wood chip delivery. This is Willow Woodchip. It's about 4 months old. So I'm gonna move it in the bucket and put it around the currant bushes and other beings in the garden. I'll show you how it looks like. So we're here by the currant bushes. Yesterday I roughly cut the grass around them, and now I'm gonna put the wood chips around the bushes. Hopefully it'll keep the grass a bit low and help the bushes to grow faster. You can even see that small currant that I took a cutting off and put in the ground. It's growing slowly, so I'm gonna cover around that and it will be much more visible soon. See, all surrounded by grass. It will do much better soon. One currant done. I'll go and get more wood chips. Second bush done. One more bush left to do, although I do have to top up those ones a bit more, I think. Gorgeous day in Scotland. I finished covering all the currant bushes and just a berry with chips. I would have liked to put even more, maybe double with chips, but that was all I had, because I used some to put around the garlic and potato bed up front so the grass doesn't take over there. So yeah, this is how it looks now. A sea of green. This tiny one, so much more visible now in the landscape, so when I'll be cutting the grass around, there won't be a risk of cutting that or stepping on it. The white currant has currant in the making. Currants. This is one of the red currants, the Rosetta one, I think. There are some seashells. This is the one that is the last one to leaf out. The other ones are already leafed out properly. But yeah, the GVT has lots of currants. I'm hoping we'll eat some if the birds don't get them. Can't wait. Red currants look gorgeous and they're so tasty. I personally prefer them to black currants. Black currants are sweeter. Red currants are a bit more sour. So it depends what you like. I didn't put any wood chip at the base of the Ranja Queens. When I planted it I put quite a lot. Now it's slightly overtaken by the snowdrops here, but hopefully it'll be okay. I'll put some more maybe at a later date when we'll get some more wood chips. Or I'll probably cut some of the grass and just top it up here. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you today. Just the currants, how they're looking. This is the cutting that I took earlier in the year, or at the end of the previous year, I can't remember exactly when. The Justa berry is doing the best of the bushes I planted here, but I think it was also taller when I planted it. So yeah, I wish I had wood chips to cover most of the garden. If you're watching this video and if you live in southwest Scotland and you know someone who works as a tree surgeon, needs a dumping place for wood chips, let me know. Have a lovely afternoon. Take care.